Derek, glad to find you here. Listen guy, I have some problems with my furnace, and I really need your help, so you can tell me what is actually wrong with it.
What seems to be the problem?
I noticed this morning, while looking at it, that the pilot light on my furnace keeps going out.
Listen, there are many reasons to why this may happen. First of all, you may need to replace the thermocouple, and that is something you should call in a professional to consider.
That sounds expensive.
I'm not sure about this, but it does mean you'll need to stop wasting your money on donuts, and start saving up for the repairs.
This is worse than when I had to use a toilet in the middle of nowhere, while hearing bears growling in the distance.
Haha, close. Anyway, you may also need to just press down on the pilot light valve until you'll see the thermocouple heating up properly.
What is it?
This is basically a metal object sitting over the pilot light. It's kept open by the heat from the pilot light, and gas continues flowing to the pilot light because of it.
Interesting. How did you get so smart?
If it fails, it will basically send a signal to the pilot light, so it turns the valve off to avoid dangerous buildups of gas.
Is that it?
Well, that's all I can help you with. My recommendation is that you'll call in some professionals to check your furnace out. Because there might be a bigger problem I cannot really tell you about.
Sure guy, I will definitely do that. Thanks a lot for your time, and I will keep you updated with how things went.
You do that, and have a great day.
You too.